In this tutorial, I'll guide you on the process of submitting your iOS app to review to make it live in the App Store. There are few information you will have to provide in the App Store Connect in order to submit the app for review. First is the screenshots of the app. Here you will need the screenshots of your app from both iPhone and iPad. If you don't have any of those devices, you can capture the screenshots using our online emulator. I've already generated my app screenshots, so quickly uploading them. Next, you will have to enter a short promotional text for your app. Also, you need to add a long description of your app. Make sure to avoid false claims in the description, and the description should highlight the features of the app. Next, add some relevant keywords which will help users to search and find your app. Then you will have to provide a support URL from where users will be able to contact you. In my case, I'm entering the contact page URL of my website here. Check your version name of the app, and then enter a copyright text. Next important thing is the build. While designing the app, you might have rebuilt the app multiple times. So before submitting to review, make sure to choose the build with latest version code. If your website has user login feature, you will have to provide a demo login credential using which the reviewer team will log into the app and test. In example, my website has a login page, so I've created a demo account. I'm entering that demo account's username and password here. Also adding a contact information using which the reviewer team can contact me if needed. If you want to let the reviewer team know about anything before starting the review, you can write that in the notes field. Now let's save all the changes. Now navigate to the app information page. Here, choose the relevant category of your app. You can also choose a secondary category of your app if you want. Next thing is setting up the content rights information. Here, choose the No option. Now let's set up the age rating. Mostly answers to every question will be a no. In next step, there will be some more questions and choose no for them too. Next, choose that the app is 17+. Finally, save this page information too. In the next step, navigate to the app privacy page. Here, enter the privacy policy URL. I am copying the privacy policy URL from my website. Now click the Get Started button and choose that the app does not collect data. Finally, let's publish the privacy page. Lastly, navigate to the Pricing and Availability page. Let's configure the pricing first. As I want to make this app free to install from App Store, I am choosing $0 and confirming. Next, choose the countries where the app will be available. As I want to make this app available in all countries, I am choosing all countries and regions. Finally, let's submit the app for review. Great! Now you can see that the status is waiting for review. Apple normally takes 2 to 3 business days to complete the review. If the Apple reviewer team rejects the app, don't worry. They will provide you brief details to fix the issues. Also, you can contact us, and we will be always there to help you out.